Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is a lip swatch video. Who misses those? I haven't seen a lip swatch video in quite a while, and I personally have not done a lip swatch video in a really long time. Why? Because I'm like super picky when it comes down to what I buy, and when I buy something, when I purchase something, I want to make sure that I like it. And I don't like to buy like tons of that one product at once if I'm not gonna like it. So yeah, that's why I haven't done like, I don't really do like swatch videos and stuff like that. But I had to do this swatch video because I'm really liking these Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color by Rimmel London. Like, I had not heard of these until, I don't know, 2 days ago, I think. And I ran to my nearest Walmart and I only got 4 because my Walmart did not have many. The other, I think 3 that I did not get that my Walmart had was a black one, a purple one, I want to say was a really deep shade. It was almost black, but it was purple, and a super nude one. I can't remember the name of it, but it looked like way more pale than me. So I was like, yeah, no, that's not gonna look good on me. But anyway, I wanted to do this swatch video for you guys because I fell in love with these. Like, I can't believe how good they are. I found them, like I said, I found mine at Walmart and I paid $4.99 for each one of these. So 20 bucks because I have 4. But I went online, I'm looking at my notes here. I went online, walmart.com, and they have 13 shades available at walmart.com for $4.99. I also went into the Ulta site and they have 9 shades available, and right now they have them for $2.79. Like, what the heck? I should have checked Ulta before I went to Walmart, but hey. On the Rimmel London site, there's no price on it. I don't even have the option to purchase through the Rimmel site, so I don't know what's going on with that, but they show 14 shades. So again, Ulta.com is showing 9 shades for $2.79. Walmart.com is showing 13 shades for $4.99, and the Rimmel London is showing 14 shades, but I don't have a price and I don't even have a purchase, you know, little button there. Anyway, the packaging on these is so cute and so sleek. It's a frosted plastic container, and it's super sleek and very pretty. It has a black top, as you can see, and the name is on the little sticker that's on the back. This one is called Plum This Show. Very pretty. Oh, and before I forget, the ounces on this liquid lipstick tube is 0.21 flow ounces compared to like an Anastasia or a ColourPop, which is 0.11 flow ounces. So yeah, you get a really good deal. I mean, if you get them at Ulta for $2.79, that's an amazing deal. I got mine, like I said, at Walmart for $4.99 each. And I only found 4 there that I cared to get. So maybe I will go back and check the shades on Ulta.com and maybe order a few more because I'm really enjoying these. They're really, they feel so good. Right now I'm wearing one of them and oh, they feel great. They feel good, you guys. I don't know how new they are. I don't know when they came out. I didn't look into all that information, but you guys, they feel really nice. All right, let's get to the swatches, and in the end, I'll give you a little more information because I've already told you I really like these. So yeah, let's get to the swatches. So I'm gonna start with the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Blush, and like I said, these are Rimmel London liquid lipsticks. A very pretty shade, as you can see. The applicator is pretty big and I like it. It doesn't bother me. So I'm just gonna apply it. I usually like to trace my lips with the applicator because I normally don't wear lip liner when I go in with liquid lipsticks, unless I want to kind of change the shade on it. So I just trace my lips and then I fill in. So it's kind of moussey, the feeling when you apply it. Moussey, creamy, soft. It feels hydrating right now. And it has a scent. I just don't know what I'm smelling. It's not a bad scent, and it's not a flowery scent. It's not a, I don't know, it's just a nice soft scent. You guys, they're really comfortable on the lips. This specific shade, it's a little sheer, but nonetheless still pretty. They're not sticky at all, as you can see. Not sticky at all. They feel very comfortable, and non-transferable. So yes, they're really good. I remember a long time ago, one of my first videos, I did a lip swatch. It was Rimmel products. Yes, it was, ooh, the provocative blah blah blah. They had a long name. I did not like those. That was that two-step. You first apply the shade, and then you applied some top coat, which once the top coat wore off, your lips felt like the Sahara Desert, and I've never been there, so I could only imagine. But no, these are very comfortable to wear, and I like them. So let's move on. Oh, and before we move on, they're much easier to remove than those provocative ones. Yeah, that was like, ooh. Anyways, I'm applying some extra virgin coconut oil onto my lips. Excuse my nails. Oh my goodness. Let me change my hand. I haven't finished taking my nail polish off. Yeah, so I'm just applying the coconut oil. I'm trying to be careful because I do have makeup on and I don't want to remove it all. So just apply the oil on, and I'm going with a wipe and wiping it off, and it comes right off. See, it comes right off. My lips don't hurt. I don't have to spend 50 hours trying to remove a lip shade. Now we move on. So the next shade I'm using is this one. It's called Rose and Shine, which is a little bit deeper than blush, as you can see. So let's go in. I'm gonna try and not talk too much because I've already pretty much said what I need to say about the lipsticks. You know, they're soft. They smell sweet. It's like a kind of plastic but sweet. I don't know, I didn't make that sound good, did I? It doesn't smell bad. The scent wears off after a little bit anyway. Look at me, I'm still talking. Like, shut up, girl. And here's how Rose and Shine looks on me. So this next shade I'm trying is called Heartbeat, and it's a super pink, almost plummy shade. Very pretty. It's more pink than plum though. These shades are pretty opaque. I don't really have to go back and get more if I don't want to, but I'm going to just for the video's sake to see what happens. And this is what the shade Heartbeat looks like on me. So pretty. So this next shade is called Plum This Show, and it's pretty deep. So let's see what happens. Wow. Like, they have so much pigment, and again, they're so soft. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm so impressed by these Rimmel London Stay Matte liquid lip colors. Again, this is the shade called Plum This Show. Like, so pretty. Okay, so yes, thumbs up for these liquid lipsticks. Again, I know I've said this a million times throughout this video. I am really enjoying these, and the price is like, what? I mean, you know, ColourPop is only $6, and dare I say, I think I like these better. Like, I don't know, there's something about these. It just feels good on my lips. They may not feel as great on everybody's lips, but on mine, I'm really liking it. Especially because when I tried those Provoca lips, I hated those. Anyways, let me read what the Rimmel site says about them. So they're called the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. Let's say, I'm just gonna read what it says here. Boldness that stays on. Oh, and I'm gonna give you my opinion, even though you guys already know. Boldness that stays on. Rimmel London's new Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color delivers high intensity color with a velvety matte finish from the very first stroke. Yes, totally agree with that. It has a bold color with just one stroke. Yes, that's a bullet point. Another bullet point says impressive staying power, kiss proof, touch proof, waterproof, wear. Yes, all of the above. Another bullet point, it says velvety matte finish. Yes, which is pretty much just going over what I just read. And it's in another bullet point, which is the last one. It says unbelievably comfortable lightweight texture. I'm sorry if I confused you. I'm so excited over these Stay Matte liquid lipsticks by Rimmel London. They are great. I'm not gonna say that anymore. You guys get it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crazy tutorial. Well, it's not even a tutorial. Crazy lip swatch video, which I haven't done in a really long time. And I had coffee, you guys. Yes, that's why my energy is so high right now. This is it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my other social media, watch my previous videos, and until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.